These days, AI-assisted coding is everywhere. We've all heard the term vibe coding floating around by now. Developers using AI to churn out code in seconds. That speed is impressive, but it comes with risk. Packages that seem trustworthy can slip in automatically just because AI suggested them. Some packages don't exist at all. In fact, about 5.2% of AI recommended packages aren't real. Others are intentionally named to look almost like legitimate ones, hiding malware behind tiny spelling differences. These lookalike packages are called slopsquatted packages. They imitate real ones to trick you. And attackers know this. They publish slopsquatted packages to public registries like NuGet, NPM, and PyPy, hoping AI will confidently suggest them. Now, once installed, these packages can do serious damage, deliver malware, steal data, or even create backdoors in your development environment. One real example, the slopsquatted async mutex package. It even showed up in Google's AI overview. It was a knockoff of the popular async mutex package. It looked harmless, but behind the scenes, it was stealing Solana private keys and sending them out through Gmail. And nothing about it raised red flags. The name was close enough that people assumed it was the real package and moved on. But installing it could have exposed sensitive credentials and put real assets at risk. And that's the problem. Slopsquatted and hallucinated packages are tough to spot at a glance. And with AI suggesting dependencies at a high volume, developers can't keep up with traditional manual review. Going through package by package to verify compliance just doesn't scale. Risky packages can slip through. That's why teams need automatic guardrails that can enforce review consistently and maintain control over what enters the pipeline at scale. A centrally managed package repository like ProGet designed to support approval workflows can control exactly where your packages enter your pipeline. Instead of developers pulling directly from public registries, everything flows through a single controlled system. New packages first land in an unapproved feed. There, they're checked for quality and security, and once approved, they get promoted to an approved feed, the only source production is allowed to pull from. This setup gives your team visibility, consistency, and a single place to enforce rules. Developers can still use AI and work the same way, but only vetted packages make it into production. Setting up a package approval workflow in ProGet is simple. Start by creating an unapproved feed that proxies packages from a public registry, like NuGet for example. This is where new packages land before they're reviewed. Next, create an approved feed. This is the feed developers will actually use to consume packages. Now, with both feeds ready, set up the unapproved feed to promote packages into the approved feed. Then check packages for quality and security, promoting only the ones you trust. This ensures developers can only consume approved packages. As AI and vibe coding become more common, so do the risk of hallucinated and slopsquatted packages. AI tools are powerful, but they need a safety layer, especially for dependencies. Now, by using package approval workflows with ProGet, unapproved packages never reach production. This keeps your supply chain protected, so when AI suggests dependencies, they're stopped before they can cause harm. Now, you can check the description for links to help you get started with ProGet and see package promotion in action.